Hi everyone, Courtney here. Today we're going to talk about another one of our top selling products, our BB 4K Wi-Fi router. This is a fully functional router with a covert camera, Wi-Fi camera, hidden inside. Now let's see everything that it comes with. Alright, upon opening the box, the first thing that you are going to see is the Wi-Fi router itself. Let's show you guys here. Here is our router, and our covert camera is hidden here. The next things that you are going to see are our instructional booklets. There are going to be two in this box. The first one is going to be for the camera itself. It's going to show you how to connect the camera to your smartphone and your router, as well as the other features offered by the free smartphone application. And you're also going to get the instructional booklet on how to install your router to use it for your own home service needs. In your device itself, it's going to come with a pre-installed 128 gigabyte micro SD card, which will be located here in the back of the device itself. This gives you the ability to capture over 26 days of recordings before needing to be backed up. Along with that micro SD card, in your instructional booklet for the camera, it's going to come with a micro SD card reader. This is for easily saving your recordings to your computer or any other device with a USB port. This is everything that you need to get started. Now let's talk about the features. Again, we want to point out the camera. It is located here. Once the camera is set up, it live streams in a 4K resolution to your smartphone app and records in HD video files to the SD card or your smartphone. The smartphone app also allows you to set up motion detection alerts, which appear as email or push notifications to your phone. Set up motion detection recording for automatic video and or image capturing along with alerts. Change the length of video clips for motion detection mode. You can schedule continuous recording times for when you're away from home, at work, or otherwise just away from home in general. You can access the micro SD card recordings right from your smartphone, so you don't even have to retrieve the SD card from your device. You can set up the camera to only be connected to your smartphone when you're within range instead of using the remote viewing option with your home router. It also has auto overwrite and loop recording functionality, so that even if the SD card fills up with recordings, the device can start deleting the oldest files to record the new ones. Set up recording straight to your smartphone or the SD card. How perfect is that? This camera does have a 90-degree viewing angle to capture most of the room. And the best part, it is a fully functional router, so you can use it for home internet as well as that covert hidden camera. Also, free technical support is offered on all of our products, so if you need any assistance, we are here for you. We look forward to helping you with all of your home security needs. Please be sure to visit deluxecctv.com for this product and more like it. At the very end of this video, you are going to have a sample video of the camera and the recordings that you will see once it's set up as well. We hope you have a beautiful day. Stay tuned for your video.